In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a database in Odoo. If you need to create a copy of an existing database, Odoo makes the process fairly straightforward. This can be especially useful when you want a safe environment for testing changes, reviewing configurations, or experimenting without affecting your live data. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, go to the Odoo website and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main interface, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu. From there, select My Databases. This is where Odoo lists the databases connected to your account and gives you access to management options for each one. Once you're on the My Databases page, find the database you want to duplicate. Take a moment here to make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage several databases with similar names. Next to the database name, click the gear icon. This opens the settings for that specific database, where you'll find additional administrative actions. On the database settings page, scroll down until you reach the database section. In this area, look for the duplicate option and click it. This opens the duplication window where you'll define the basic settings for the copy you're about to create. In the duplicate window, enter the name you want to give the copy database in the new name field. Choose a name that helps you easily identify the purpose of the duplicate. For example, if it's only for internal testing, using a clear naming style can help you avoid confusion later when switching between environments. You'll also see an option labeled Testing Purposes. If this duplicate is going to be used for testing, leave that box checked. This is important because it disables external integrations, outgoing emails, and scheduled actions. In other words, it helps prevent the duplicate from accidentally interacting with real systems or sending messages from a non-production environment. If you actually need the duplicate for production use, then uncheck that option. After that, click Duplicate to start the process. Odoo will begin creating the copy of your database. Depending on the size of the original database, this may take a little time, so be patient and wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, your duplicated database will be available for use. And that's how to duplicate a database in Odoo quickly and safely.